Okay. Everything seems to be up and up. Hello, everyone. It is Monday. It is another day of program training day. We're going to just be doing some, I would say Code Wars, but right now we're going to do some Leet Code. This is going to be at the end of last stream, which was, I was just doing C++. I only streamed for like an hour. I didn't have a lot of time, but I will do this one in Python because it's Python day for coding practice, because I can't just abandon one language for another. I have to maintain both. So I also need to push myself further with Python while I'm like conceptually, while also keeping getting familiar with the syntax of C++ as I do the challenges. Anyway, this was a daily challenge. It's not the daily anymore, but I'm still going to do it because a wonderful viewer asked me to do it, and I don't mind. And I'll do it. Yeah. Concatenation of consecutive binary numbers. Given an integer n, return the decimal value of the binary string formed by concatenating the binary representation of 1 to n in order modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Example, n equals 1, output equals 1. Binary, 1, 2, 3, respond this way. Decimal value for binary string. Okay. Interesting. That's pretty crazy. Okay, I can work with this. I just need to remember for Python how to convert to that. Actually, 1 to n. Okay. So I can do a for loop and get a new value and just make a list of it, and then a list of string. Yeah, a list of string of the binary, and then concatenate those together. Yeah, okay. The thing that I don't know what to do immediately is to convert from binary back and forth. Oops. Built-in Python function that converts a decimal number directly to its binary string. That seems to have a 0 B at the beginning. I should probably test that. Okay. Let's get the framework. Alright, so what I'm going to do is a for loop. Int n equals 0. I'm not used to doing the number version of for loops again. I always have to check it now. I'm used to doing the other one. For loop Python. Nope. Using the in stuff. I'm not looking for the in. I'm looking for the range. Hello? X in range. Yes, it is. Cool. Alright. And in range. Input n. Default sub n. I just don't need those parentheses. Now, and then we'll start loop through that more or less. Just to do a quick test to make sure, confirm I know what I'm doing. So underscore n. Just do a quick one of that for my output. Oh, am I not calling this thing? Solution. Referring to a number, line number. Let's see. Just a good. We change the range to start at 0 and +1. Well, no, I don't have to do that. I can just do a sub n +1. 1, 12. This is how it started. Start at 1, and here, and then, okay, yeah. And that should fix that, because I use range as much as I can, like, yeah, that's good. Alright, got the numbers right. Now I have to convert it to binary, add to list. Depends. Maybe binary sub underscore n. So that will store the binary number. Okay. Let's just to make sure. Put that in there. I can just do it at the end of the for loop. Make it cleaner, more or less. So I know the result. I gotta remove the OB, right? Okay. OB dot replace. Replace. B. Replace it with just a blank. And then let's try that one more time. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Alright. It's replaced with that. Add list. Now I have to concatenate that list. Wait, why not even bother adding to list? I can just immediately put it to string instead and concatenate into string. Okay. So. Okay. Binary. And then S equals there we go. Coffee's cold where your hands once lived. Your name still sits at the top of my phone, but there's no reason left to call it home. I turn the lights off, let the shadows breathe. It's good. It's good. Good. Okay. Alright, now I have the binary number. I need to convert it to integer. What was that? Streetlights burn till morning comes, but they don't warm anyone. Promises we made back then were brave, but only in the moment. I flip my phone down, start waiting for the glow. There's a built-in function things. Let's do that. It's clear. Integer reverse. Seals. Binary. 2. What's that? There's an error somewhere. What am I doing wrong? 5053. This is alright, that's not how it works. Right. That. Alright. Same binary number. Oh, modulo. Okay, I'm not applying that. Right. Times the power 9 plus 7. That's some spacing.
I woke up late again today. For my phone across the room. Nothing's going quite my way. In this cycle of impending doom. Though we're running through the red lights. Yeah. Chasing shadows in the dark. Everything will be alright. Where the fire and the spark.
Alright, sweet. We got the modular. That. Out as well.
Walking by me empty street.
That's slow.
Thinking about the things you said. Heart is skipping every beat. Echoes ringing in my
I
head.
am
Lights. Chasing shadows in the dark.
it's okay. There'll always be based on N. There's a way to do this faster. Maybe if I do it manually instead of just using the built-in functions.
like sugar and candlelight, bubbles rising in the midnight. One small sip and I lose control, sweet confusion taking hold. Laughter floating in the air, electric silence everywhere. Closer than we've ever been, but still afraid to step in. Maybe it's the way you move, maybe it's the night so smooth. Every second feels brand new when I'm
Hey, Tofu, how you doing, man? I guess I'm winning. I successfully completed this. Wasn't too complicated, but I could be better in terms of speed. Yeah. How you been? It's been a bit since you've been here. Welcome, welcome. All right. So, oops. I'm still new to this description. All right, so I'm supposed to concatenate consecutive binary numbers in order of 1 to n with modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So what I did, I just built a string using a for loop going through the whatever n is. So just one at a time. And then after that's all done, convert that string into an integer. Its decimal form, and then mod it. But I don't know. From the look of it, I would say it's like O of n, but there could be. There's just, honestly, converting it with the built-in from the string. Oops. Okay. Converting from string to its decimal form would probably make it go longer. I don't know the exact process of the built-in conversion. That's probably what's slowing it down. Yeah. So I'm trying to think of a way to fix that, but I don't know. It's not exactly necessary. It's technically good enough, and I don't need to focus on max efficiency. Like, it's clear, it's readable. The real toes. Hello, hello. I'm afraid I don't understand what you mean. Bit shifting. Okay, I've never really messed with bit shifting a lot, or much at all, really. So I'll take a look into bit shifting. I'm not familiar enough with these visualized stuff.
Waiting on my couch. Miss me. Do you miss me? Miss me. Like I miss you. Just tell me. My days were pale and filled with ice, looking for something to suffice. You broke the wall and let me through. Now I find my strength in you. You are the light of my life, the sun that belongs to me. You light me up, you make me whole, you keep me warm, you save my soul. Light me up, warm me up, warm me up. You are the one, you are the sun. Light me up, light me up. I touch the heat you bring to me. It's the truth that
Need to combine shift with launch the operator to be kept to shift.
Hold this moment, lock
PS4 looks fine. This is gonna be replaced. There's gonna be no spray. Mod's still gonna be there.
I'm looking for a place to hide I see your shoes by the glass, room door. I count the tiles on the way floor. My hands are cold and I'm losing track.
Still don't remember. I need to have a better understanding of what that does. Even though I'm seeing it, I was thinking seeing samples of it. Some of it hammer into my freaking brain. Heels clear loud, I break the scene. Silence falls, I reign supreme. Don't need words to make a stand. Power's here, right in my hand. Chin up, eyes cold, truth is unfold. Do as I'm told. No, I break mold. Watch me take the crown, burn in the whole place down. Royal in every town. No one can bring me down. Stop, look, freeze the frame. Everyone knows my
The vision's clear, see no doubt, I'm feeling no fear. Diamond hard,
Start to zero, put manipulated.
keep the door to face shut. Snap fingers, make space, run at my pace. Elegance, trace, first in the race. Watch me take the crown, burn in the whole place down right. And in every town, no one can bring me down. Stop, look, freeze the frame. Everyone knows my name. Wildfire that none can tame. Winning is just a game. It's not just glitter, it's the fire inside. A burning hunger that I'll never hide. So take a breath and watch me rise above. This is the legend that you're dreaming of.
Winning is just a good.
Watch me take the crown, burn in the whole place down. Royal in every town, no one can bring me down. Stop, look, freeze the frame. Everyone knows my name. Wildfire that none can tame. Winning is just a game. Bow down, kiss the ring. Bow down, kiss the ring.
Oh, okay. So it's versus the
The world is moving slow for me, like liquid drifting, and just leave velvet air around my face. I fall deeper into your space. Your voice is soft against my skin, pulling me quietly in, sinking through a satin floor. I don't wanna leave no more. Oh, the world feels slow. Anywhere we go, I just wanna float.
it's just
Never
oh,
let
oops.
go. It's wherever we go, go. Just one breath is sweet enough, and baby I can't get enough. Nothing holds us, just us now. No sound except this vow. Let the silence take us down. Slow, slow, stay with me. Lost inside this dreamy sea. Honey dripping endlessly. You and I, just you and me. Slow, slow, don't wake up. Wrapped inside your velvet touch. Just one breath is sweet enough. Baby, I can't get enough.
It's spelled it wrong. I didn't even put the F. Okay. Weird. No, it's just gonna be. Alright, let's give me the numbers I'm looking for. 2, 3.
Streetlights burn till morning comes, but they don't warm anyone. Promises we made back then were brave, but only in the moment. I flip my phone down, start waiting for the glow. Let the silence take control. The night don't answer me, it never speaks. The moon won't wait for me, it just shines on empty sheets. When I think about you, the city keeps moving on. Guess this world
Oh, right. I need to make this smaller. How do I do that? You're not really gonna see my code if I do that.
if the wind could stop, if the clock slowed down, maybe I could turn this back around.
Yeah, it's.
Don't bend and the stars
You know, let's see if I can just make my thing smaller. Yeah, I'll just do that instead.
don't answer me, it never will.
It's good enough. I'll make that lower.
Oh, it's gone, it only stands
Yeah, it's good enough. Okay.
still when I think about you. The whole damn world moves on. Guess I finally learned it won't wait for one. It won't wait for
No. I imagine those bars are kind of in the way. Let me just bring it up a bit more.
lights go out.
Bit updates.
And I'm still awake.
Still 0.
I'll miss
Have to give another option.
just stop
So I did an and here.
waiting.
It's 0. Differences.
I woke up late again today. Threw my phone across the room. Nothing's going quite my way. In this cycle of impending doom. But we're running through the red lights. Yeah. Chasing shadows in the dark. Everything will be alright. We're the fire and the spark.
Well, it. Okay. The intent that I was going for was. I didn't really fully think it through, but since I'm so new to this, but just trying to get something about comparing positioning data. I was kind of copying the example I was given. Sub n, yeah, just I don't know. I'm having a hard time explaining it. I'm sorry. Just what I recommended. Oops. Let's see. It's something to do with the power of 2. Read about or. Okay. There's maybe or something to do with here, possibly up here. I don't know. Read about. Well, if it's the same thing, same process as the and thing, shouldn't be too bad.
Your eyes like sugar in candlelight, bubbles rising.
I know what it does, but what does that? How's the fuck result?
One small step and I lose control. Sweet confusion taking hold.
I'm trying to imagine what it does in my head. My head's struggling.
Laughter floating in the air. Electric silence everywhere. Closer than we've ever been, but still afraid to step in. Maybe it's the way you move. Maybe it's the night so smooth. Every second feels brand new when I'm standing close to you. Sweet love, like a bubble cocktail, fizzing slowly, I can't exhale. Tick tock, heartbeat in my chest. Every moment feels like yes. Sweet love in the blurry glow. Wanna touch but moving slow. Tipsy feelings start to flow. Close but not too close. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. My heart won't stop. Your voice tastes like summer rain, soft and warm inside.
Okay, we shift left a few times, and then if we do the or, then it simulates concatenation. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Alright.
Sweet love, like a bubble cocktail, fizzing slowly, I can't exhale. Tick tock, heartbeat in my chest. Every moment feels like yes. Sweet love in the blurry glow. Wanna touch but moving slow. Tipsy feelings start to flow. Closer, but not too close. Tick tock, tick tock.
Alright, let's see if that works in my head. So shift left a number of times determined by this length, and then do it with this, because the length is based off of this, and then simulates concatenation.
Just a little closer.
Alright, came together kind of at the end. Oh, we wrote something. There's a Python and to find binary.
I can always tell when you're lonely,
No.
when your voice gets sweeter when you want me. It's so obvious that I want you to. 'Cause I can feel it worse when I'm sleeping in a strange place with you and I'm dreaming.
Okay, then I don't need to do that. So I can do that. Underscore. Right. Sorry, I'm not. This built-in one is so nice. Get this out of here. Let's test that. No, your bit length one is so much easier. Like in terms of repeatability, if I have to do this again in the future, what I did was like I can't see myself easily going back to that, but using the built-in bit length, straightforward. Runtime. Yeah, give me a sec. I'm gonna clean this up real quick, and we'll get that. How do I push this out? There it is. Hey, hell yeah. That is much better than what I originally did. So, what I did originally was 1,500 something. Yeah, okay. That improved it by a lot. Yeah. Very fast, very fast. That's a significant improvement. Yeah, it does. I need to use Bitwise more. I like I just don't. Like it's very specific to binary, so I just never bothered. Like I can't really see myself. Well, I haven't run into many situations beyond like LeetCode and Code Wars, where I had to manipulate the binary stuff. But I know Bitwise is important for making things more efficient. I'm somewhat familiar with it. Well, not really, but the little I know about it is that it's good for efficiency. But yeah. Hey, the Real Toes, thank you very much. Thank you for the help. Yeah. That whole string conversion was a bit of an issue. Hell yeah. Okay. Fantastic. Alright, I'll just do that. I'll just keep me. And I guess that's good there. Let's do a switch to Code Wars. I want to see if I can do a queue. Looks like it's 140. I definitely won't be able to finish Q3, but I'll start one at the very least. Python. Passed it. Oh, there it was. There we go. And difficulty. Yeah. What seems fun? I don't know. Sharing image, Huffman coding. Performance. Texas Hold'em. Builder of things. Closest pair of points. Sudoku solve. I don't know. I'm just gonna flip a coin between total areas covered by rectangles and I don't know, plants and zombies. Sure. Get a coin. Heads and tails. I'll do heads for plants and zombies. Heads. Okay. Plants and zombies. Okay. I've played Plants and Zombies once or twice. Alright. This kata is inspired by Plants vs. Zombies, a tower defense video game developed and originally published by PopCap Games. How much is a Bitcoin? I actually have no idea. Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit, a Bitcoin's expensive. Oh my god. I've never bothered to figure it out. Like, because I never mess with Bitcoin. Holy shit. And from the look of it, it's on the lower end at the moment. Huh. Jesus. Battlefield is the front lawn and the zombies are coming. Our defense, consisting of pea shooters, are in place, and we've got the stats of each attacking zombie. Your job is to figure out how long it takes for them to penetrate our defenses. Oh, interesting. The two images below represent the lawn for the test example below at separate stages of the game. Left state, move 3 before shooters fire. Right state, move 5 after shooters fire. Moves are 0 based. Okay. This is going to be interesting. Never tackled a problem quite like this. Moves. During a move, a new zombie appear and or existing ones move forward 1 space to the left. When the shooters fire, this 2-step process repeats. If the zombie reaches a shooter's position, it destroys that shooter. 4, 4. Reaches the shooter at 4-2 and destroys it. What is this? State to move 3, move 5, so 2 turns. Okay. Destroys it. The zombie has 1 health point remaining and is eliminated in the same move by the shooter at 4-0. Okay. Number of shooters. Shoot straight to the right a given number of times per move. In the example image, the green number shooter 0-0 fires 2 times per move. I see. Okay. S shooters. Okay. Shoot straight and diagonally, upward and downward. Let's see, it's covered by the blue. And then this covers an overlap. Okay. The blue and oranges S shooters can attack zombies in any of the blue and orange squares, respectively, and if not blocked by other zombies. At move 3, the blue shooter can move and hit the zombie at 1-5. Move 3. Yes. While the orange shooter... Lost my place. While the orange shooter hits each of the zombies at 1-5, 2-7, and 4-6. Yep. Shooting priority. The number of shooters all fire their shots in a cluster. S shooter. The numbered shooter. Okay. Then the S shooters fire their shots in order from right to left, then top to bottom. Right. Note that once a zombie's health reaches 0, it drops immediately and does not absorb any additional shooter pellets. In image example, orange shooter S fires before the blue one. Your function will receive 2 arguments. Lawn map, an array list consistent of strings, where each string represents a row of the map. Each string will consist of either space character, which represents empty space, a numeric, oh my god, a numeric digit 0 to 9 representing number of shooters, or S representing the S shooters. Alright, so something like, what is this? 7 characters long. Zombie stats, an array of sub-arrays representing each zombie in the following formats. I row HP is the move number, 0 base, when it appears. Row is the row the one walks down, HP is the initial health. Okay. When new zombies appear, they start at the farthest right column of their row. Input always be valid. Return the number of moves before the first zombie penetrates our defenses by getting past column 0 or null, none if all zombies are eliminated. Okay. Alright. Code Wars really likes to take its time right now. I've not seen that like this before. Let's try to refresh. Okay, cool. String. Okay. First, let's do a confirmation of what I'm looking at. Consistent use of tabs or space.
It's only us
Okay,
in
whatever.
this universe spinning fast, but we never burst, even through the highs and lows. You're the one I'm holding close. It's only
Alright, each of those is a separate.
no need to run.
Gotcha.
We shine brighter than the sun, no matter where the stars align.
Okay,
You and I, it's one.
so Mondelez string. On this strings. All these. This,
Shadows try to blur the view
Yes.
we see, but love like this was meant to be. We dance through doubt, broke every
will
chain.
HP.
Now nothing will feel the same. Every heartbeat found its place, like a rhythm only we could trace.
Okay.
Even when the
And that to
kokoro dake ga hibike
turn the number of moves before the first zombie penetrates our defenses. Alright, I should probably set the field first. Something like that.
In this universe, spinning fast, but we never
Okay, I like
burst,
that.
even through the highs and lows. You're the one I'm holding close. It's only us. No need to run. We shine brighter than the sun. No matter where the stars align, you and I, we're intertwined.
So I need the character position. Yeah, I guess. Okay.
It's only us. It's only
I need character
in this
position.
universe, no more doubt, no more reverse. Even when the night feels long, you're the rhythm to my song. It's only us, no need to run. We shine brighter than the sun as the galaxies combust. One thing remains, it's only us.
Okay. I could make. Can make another like a list with the status of each entity. Maybe
I don't do this often, you caught me off guard.
not
All of my
status
friends, they moved out
list.
west. You tell me stories underneath sunsets.
Could be something like
Then just one night, kiss you
swine
head turning left, right. Get a ticket or
type.
two to wherever you choose. Drinking some red out of the blue. You
Yeah,
see my
positioning
head
and
with your
type.
accent. Makes me remember
And depending on
what you
type,
missed it. Hope you're
certain
playing
things happen, I
steady
suppose.
for a million days. You'll be my summer in December. Hey,
Sure, let's go with that.
my intuition
Um,
voice. I'm not superstitious. I got lucky. Stole your heart and it was mine for the taking.
shoot type, sure. Okay, so I'm not really worried about efficiency right now. So I could do maybe some type of way to scan each string and get any character that's not a space, I guess.
I'm bad at pretending, you know I'll be true. Sunday
Alright, so that could be like for
songs that you watch me write.
oh,
You took a picture, keep by my
come
bedside.
on.
So you're mine when you're gone, baby, please don't be
Okay.
long. I got my ticket to the west side. You say my name with your accent. Make me remember how much I missed you. Hope you're planning to stay for a million days. You'll be my summer in December. Hey boy, trust my intuitions always. I'm not superstitious, I got lucky.
So
Your
this
heart
works.
and it was mine for the
Okay,
taking.
good. Four C in a row. We'll go for each one if C equals space. Oh, it doesn't equal the space. Then let's add it to list. Oh wait, I need an index. Shoot. There's definitely something. Change its type. Something about enumerate. That's the one. Okay. Enumerate. We'll allow to get the index value. Alright. Enumerate. Right. So versus index. So double check. Yes. Yeah, okay. If it doesn't equal that, then we'll just add it to the list that I didn't create yet. Okay. Sure. That's that. Is there a specific order they wanted me to do? I remember them. There was a firing order. Hey, shooting priority. Here it is. Fire all shots in a cluster. So it's numbered shots. Versus then, yes, shooters. Okay, so I should probably make two lists. A numbered shooters and S shooters. Number shooters, S shooters. Yeah. They're all caps? Yeah, they're all caps. We'll just assume that stays consistent with everything. If C double equals S.
Never burn out 'cause I just don't quit.
Shooter stats.
Might never find ground and my feet don't hit.
Depends.
In the thrill of the chase of a feeling. Let me go and break through the ceiling. Got my eyes on the sky, I'm delusional. Maybe that's what it takes to get out of the cycles and cage of the usual.
And then type. I don't need type actually. Cool. We'll just do that. Yeah. Nice. Bunch of stones. Oh, that should get those things. Processing, but let's get this function going first. Just to print, just to see what happens. Let's see what I'm looking at.
Way too much getting under my skin. Got a restless heart and a feverish head. I keep chasing desire like I need it. Got my hands in the fire just
Let's
to
do
feel
a
it.
test.
Got my eyes on the sky, I'm delusional.
Oh, what? Okay,
That's what it takes to get out of the cycles and cage of the usual. Better off with my head.
Alright, that matches. There's only two S's for the first one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay, cool. 0, 0. X, Y, yep. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Right, this looks good. What should I call this? Sure. Okay, point stats. Right there. I'll work this out. Turn. Which soup stats. And there we go. Yeah. None. Points. Yes. Yes. All right, that's that. We took care of the plants. Zombie stats already here. Well, it's not really stats, it's positioning. Yeah, let's change that. The only information is there. It's not stats, it's just coordinates. I actually don't need the zombies at all. Just doesn't matter. I think that's the zombies. Just need the lawn.
Walking, you wear a smile. They don't know it.
Yeah, that seems fine. Okay. Okay, shooting priority. Well, maybe I should focus on direction. I'm gonna do this. Oops. Time process. Journey. New zombies appear. Existing ones move forward. Move process.
I can see us in my dreams. It was all so simple then. Life was magic in retrospect, and I'm hoping you're okay. If you've moved on from that place, I'm always a call away, but I can't be the one to save you. I've tried, but I can't be your lifeline.
Associated. Well. Then shoot. Existing zombies. Back one space. Shooters. Yes, shooters. Yeah, right.
Every time I say I need space, I end up at your doorstep.
Fire.
Every time you pull me back in, I do something I regret. Maybe it's just who we are, ignoring all the red flags just to open up all our old wounds. be true.
This is your HP.
We were too good to be true. Too good to be true.
Additional. Shooter.
Too good to be true.
For all their shots. Oh, okay.
Fine line between love and attention. Thought we found a solid ground, now all the skills are tipping. Maybe it's just who we are. Flying through red flags just to crash into the wall. Back to the start, the emotional pendulum swings right back in that call. Wish I could forget the late nights you drive me home when you felt like the right one. You
I guess.
said to
Sure.
hold.
What's this?
We were meant to fall apart in the end. I was just a fool. We were too
So
good
that
to be true.
means they're all firing at once at the same time. It's like a bit of British firing line during the Civil Wars, whatever that's called.
Be true.
From the sounds of it, if a numbered shooter fires and they have like 2 or 3 shots, and say a zombie has 1 life, it will still eat those 2 shots because it's fired at the same time. But if that same row, or if that let's just say row for simplicity's sake, there's an S shooter as well. When the S shooter fires, the zombie that was just killed will not be a factor in terms of damaging the zombie horde, I suppose. Okay.
When I saw you for the first time, I just knew, and I think you did too. 'Cause when I
Zombies. What does the I stand for again?
you froze, and it's funny thinking
Move them.
now from 1 kiss, 10 years, 2 years, you still take my breath away. You take me way up high, higher.
Restless. Okay.
Don't wanna come
Well,
down.
HP's initial HP.
Want this feeling forever, forever. 'Cause I want this feeling.
Initial HP.
'Cause I want this feeling. You take me to the sky where I can see clear. Don't wanna come down 'cause I want this
Alright.
feeling forever, forever. 'Cause I want this feeling. Yeah, I want this feeling forever.
I want to understand the movement.
And no matter through the hardship, I still know. Oh, I know you'll stand by me, 'cause this life
Oh, when it appears. Got it. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Just wipe out everything.
Use the nuke instead.
Easier than just trying to grow plants to remove the zombies. Yeah, it would be easier. Or it could just, do a whole supernatural or sci-fi thing and just make mutant nuclear zombies, like in... Was that Black Ops thing? I don't remember. It's been a long time since I played COD Zombies. Okay. Alright, so I think I got the notes for the zombies. I don't need to do any real edits. I just have to do the move process now. Yeah. Maybe I should do something with stats for... The numb shooters. What would I do? Turn health? No, they don't have no health. They just, if they're touched, they're dead. Their positions don't change. Music's gone. Step back.
Never would have moved to the city. Gotten hooked on those cigarettes. Only drink when you drink with me. Now I drink just so I forget.
Yeah, I think I'll just have to. Yeah, it's
Think I'm stuck this way.
yeah, I'll work on the move process now.
Change for you. All these scars on my heart are gonna disappear. Loving you left a mark. One I'm gonna have for years. Yeah,
Move process.
hard. 'Cause I was never insincere. Watch my world fall apart in an instant. All I
So
have left to you are these imprints.
Okay. So new zombies appear. Move to the left.
Watch my world fall apart in an instant. All I have left to you are these imprints. Watch my world fall apart in an instant. All I have left to you are these imprints. I can feel the dent in your pillow.
No, pop's not.
Side of our bed where you should be. Learning how to live with an echo. Giving up human part of me was just like molded clay.
Index for that. Probably use pop. That's what it's for, isn't it?
Change for you. All these scars on my heart are gonna disappear. Loving you left a mark. One I'm gonna have for years. Yeah, of course I took it hard. 'Cause I was never insincere. Watch my world fall apart in an instant. All I have left to you are these imprints.
Get a notepad. Perfect. I don't think that's readable. Is that good enough? That's probably good enough. Okay. Do I want to do that here? Alright, okay, gotta think about it. So alright, so when it's removed entirely. Okay, so I can make a copy and just remove stuff. Yeah. So I can just move. So let's see the list. I guess that's good enough. Alright, so I could make a new zombie when they appear.
There were times we would drive till the sun broke through the black of the night on a wide road.
I'm gonna need to know its X coordinate.
That led me back to you. Lit a spark in the dark, gave me no choice. In the night, your light in the white noise. Suddenly, my heart says something new. In your eyes, I swear I feel forever, and I'm falling into the deepest part of you. In your
these stats look like.
Passing cars, skipping stars when I got you in your arms, cover scars.
I think it's just better just to process all the zombies first. That will use this.
All the pieces. How did I miss the times that you came through when every glance was a chance I was blind to? Now I see you're everything I needed. In your eyes, I swear I feel forever, and I'm falling into the deepest part of you. In your eyes, I feel my heart surrender as your love breaks through.
I can do
Inside your deep blue.
more.
I'm lost inside your deep blue.
Can I do this? Pretty sure I can. Zombies.
Inside your deep blue.
Let's double check. Make that no problem, and let's call this just this. Cool. All right. Now,
I'm not really sure how we got here. We started out as friends at your
right, and I is the
Wondering at the time that she
again.
left you. You say you're not lonely, and now we're on our feet and we're dancing. You swear that I'm the one that you can trust. Look me in the eyes and I felt it. It took me a while to make up my mind, but you were there for me the whole time. In the end, I should have known that it was always you. It took me some time to wake up to you. How could I be blind? Now I see it's true. In the end, I should have known that it was always you. It was
Make a new one.
you.
X.
It was always you. It was always ignored through the back door. It was always you I was waiting for. Always you.
Yeah, I'll just call it. Row.
It was always you.
Just a quick refactoring, and let's match that here because that was pretty. Row, keep that pattern the same.
Yeah, I don't really
Column will always be 0.
what started out as plans took another turn. Thinking about the time that you left me. You said I
And
don't
readability.
know you. And now we're on our feet and we're dancing. You swear that I'm the one that you can trust. Look me in the eyes and I felt
Right.
it.
After column row,
It took me
we're gonna need her HP.
but you were there for me the whole time. In the end, I should have known that it was always you. It took me some time to wake up to you. How could I be blind? Now I see it's true. In the end, I should have known that it was always you. It was always you.
could make a dictionary out of it instead, but this is fine. Right? I'll make a picture out of it. Whatever. Well, yeah, it's gonna be a list, and then
You carry me like a river. My body could sink like a stone. The weight of the world is so heavy when I'm alone. You pull me out of the nightmare.
most of dictionaries.
My own.
Yeah.
Fighting the fires. It's been so long. The truth is that nobody loves me like you do.
So it'll be like calling. It's been a while since I had to manually write a dictionary.
When the darkness is all we see, keep me safe in the in-between.
Okay, cool.
If I go, will you go with
Calling. Row. Row. HP. HP. Intro.
I waste the days like they're nothing. It's past the point of return. Somehow I never move forward. When will I learn? Voice like an echo runs through my head like a song, telling me I'm gonna make it, and you're never wrong. The truth is that nobody loves me like you do. Nobody answers my call when I'm afraid to walk alone. You hold my hand through it all. If I go, will you go with me? When the darkness is all we see, keep me safe in the in-between. If I go, will you go with me? When the shadows are part of me, keep me safe in the in-between. In the stillness
That'd be easier
of
to
the
read.
midnight air, I found you glowing, standing there, with the moon cradled in your hands, like you held the stars and made them dance.
Good.
Time froze in the
All the
black
rings.
spark ignited what the darkness shook. Even
4104 2.
light began to rise.
Yeah, okay, good.
You were the clue I couldn't chase, a distant
Okay.
flame in empty space.
That's the
Somehow
zombies.
you came close to me, a little world I couldn't see. You're not the sun, you're not the fire, you're something softer, something higher. And even when the night won't go,
So when it finally comes to the process and all this stuff,
The lake reflected what you gave, a quiet truth I couldn't fake. No need for words, no need for
there's the
sound.
zombies that move first.
Me off the ground. Moments
Here's new zombies appear. Everyone's calling associated. Okay.
you burned into the shape of hope, and every
So
breath I tried to hold.
zombies.
Were the glow I couldn't chase, a distant flame in empty space. But somehow you came close to me, a little world I couldn't see.
New zombies.
Sudden up the fire, something soft to
It's a
something.
stand. These will exist in numbers. Fire. Choose. Yes. Yes.
So if the sky forgets to shine, I'll keep your light inside of mine. You were never meant to fade. You're the ground I chose to save. You were the glow I couldn't chase, but now you're here and time's erased.
Spawn zombie. So then we do like a 4 leap or something.
You're the fire in my
And just keeps going until end conditions. Wow.
I still burn with your glow.
Oh no, this is just one turn. I don't need to walk through. Okay, right. This is just a single turn. Who cares? All right. Most important thing I need is turn.
I'm out of words. I have nothing else to say. I'm out of energy.
So zombies spawn new zombies. We have to check if turn number equals. I have to go through the zombie army. I need to get the initial move. That was. And zombie. Initial move equals turn spawn. No. No zombie here. Does the snaps change? It does. The length of fingers. changes things. Okay. It's always a rectangle, so that's easy. Alright. Next is blank. Just the first row. Well, I'll just follow with. Um, right.
It was cold, felt like home, running into your
There we
arms.
go.
Tried to hold on for hope, but it's falling apart. Picked up all of your clothes, packed them into a box. Out of respect for whatever's left, I need to put it to rest. Just put the nail in the coffin. We're all out of options. You left, but you're in my subconscious. We traded caution for chaos, but it never paid off. I fought, yeah, I stayed while you gave up. Thought I was like you, but I'm not. 'Cause I would never watch you fall. Never ending paradox. I still feel you, but you're lost. I still feel you, but you're lost. I still feel you, but you're lost.
Babies! Hello, hello. Just noticed your message. Alright, so I guess I'll just add more parameters. Could make it a single. Right. Yeah. No, I won't.
You were walking me home, wasn't far when you stopped. I was scared to let go, and I don't know how we got here.
Alright.
How
Well,
am I supposed to know?
I can just make it global.
Out of respect for whatever's left, I need to
I don't know if that would work here. I'll just stick with parameter stuff for now.
just put the nail in
Anyway.
the coffin.
Uh,
Out of options, you left, but you're in my subconscious. We traded
here's
caution for chaos, but it never paid off. I fought, yeah, I stayed while you gave up. Thought I was like you, but I'm not. 'Cause I would never
so I have to manipulate which column it appears in. It's going to be the last column. There's one.
Thought I was
Column should be none, actually. They've not appeared yet. And then we assign an actual number that matters. Now with row and column filled out here, they should technically appear in terms of being recognized by the process.
Still sad in October, can't keep composure. You kept me believing. I tried to take back my heart, but it still feels like it's yours. You left me here in the dark. Oh, was it real or a dream? I need to know. It happened so fast, now my whole
Alright.
world's moving slow. Was it magic or myth? I'll never know. But it's been a nightmare holding on. Why won't love let me go?
Alright, next one, I have to check if the column not equal 1. Oh, I don't actually need to do that. Okay. If that column exists, then column equals oops.
And I'm so damn exhausted. I can't sleep in it too. Can't find
So it moves to the left.
Have I already lost it? Was it real or a dream? I need to know. It happened so fast, now my whole world's moving slow. Was it magic or myth? I'll never know. But it's been a nightmare holding
Alright. And then now we go through plants. Oh, plants is a little bit different. It's a firing process. I have to check against the zombies. Alright, okay. So, what would I do? All the numbered shooters fire at once. Oh, wait. The process I'm doing is prioritizing who appears first. And whoever appears first should be in front in their scenarios, so this is okay. Okay. Right. Oh man. Oh. Now the way I'm doing it is, the process I'm going is not exactly the best way to do it. I was going through the list of zombies with priority of who's first, but maybe I should do top row to bottom row.
Always let my mind get the better of me. Run away and shot my thoughts. Can be
Just to make sure.
Maybe you saw what you wanted to see, but I felt a type of way, and I thought you felt the shame. Was it wrong of me to assume that you would have wanted me?
Just It's getting late. My brain's frying. Process.
Cause I thought that this was real, and it is the way I feel, and it's not my imagination.
Or
Cause I thought that this was real.
oh my row. Yeah, I think I should do row by row instead of just going through the zombie list. Yeah, I'll just do that. Let's. The internal process here is fine, but I think the outer for loop is wrong. So we'll change that. We'll go row by row. So 4 row index and range 1 height. Right. Share. Ooh, this is gonna be bad. This shit. I don't like this. Ooh, these nested for loops. I don't like this, but I'll keep going. 4 zombies in zombie army, and then I want to check if any of them is in zombie. Row equals index.
I see the world in shades of gold, but everything still feels so cold. Your voice a whisper in my chest, a memory I can't forget. We used to fly without a sound, two hearts above the battleground, but silence took your place somehow, and all I have is here and now. I'm standing in
Trying to think of a way to make that more efficient. We'll take a random fight. I think this is fine. Check for zones in row. Check all these. Manipulate for zombies in that associated row. Move them. Okay. the fuck did I? It's not a corn mix. Number shooters.
I walk through echoes of the rain. Each step still calling out your name, but every scar that you left behind turns into strength I get to find. We can't rewind the way we bled, but I still carry
Stats. Yeah, that.
scars are gone, but I allow myself to feel.
My original thought was right. I just forgot to add.
I'm standing in the
What was it?
your hand to keep me warm. Time is just a burning vow.
Let's see.
Not
Yeah.
now, not now. I'm learning how to
If it's S, I don't need it. It's
tear you left in me.
it only shoots one shot, right?
I'm here
So 3 shots, one each direction. Yeah, this is fine.
no yesterday, no distant dream. Just every breath that sets me free. I'm not the same, but I know how to rise again. Begin from now. I'm going through the dark with all your light inside my heart. The past won't hold me down.
Let's find a number of shooters.
As I choose to live it now. I'm stronger than before. No
This one,
something more. I close my eyes and
we all need it. And we can't covers. Okay. No, it's the same thing.
I keep staring
But see the dictionary, it's just a list. So I just need to match the row, and that's English. One
Did you throw them away? Are you jaded? 'Cause I wouldn't blame you if you were.
equals
No, I wouldn't blame you if you were. Who's gonna save me now?
oh shit.
Who's gonna call my name? Knowing I made this time. Who's gonna
Okay.
let you down? Who's gonna save me now? Who's gonna save me now? Who's gonna call my name? Knowing I made this time. Who's gonna take your place and let you down? Who's gonna save me now?
Okay, that would have been a problem.
When you held me, yeah, you kept all my pieces
wasn't doing him. Fuck. Index. Fire numbered shooters. Hey, the real toes. Thank you, thank you. I'm probably going to be done in like 10 minutes, even though I'm not going to finish this in 10 minutes. I'm just going to end stream as well. But thank you for being here. And thanks for your help, you know. I'll always learn a little bit more when you're here. Anyway, doesn't matter. Alright, good night, man. Non-plans, smell index. So just double check if the plant is on the road index. If it is, we then fire into the zombie. Well, actually, this whole process, this whole plans process, shouldn't even be bothered if there exists any zombies at all. Okay. Fuck. Zombie in row. That looks ugly. Only difference is this. I'll figure that out later. Whatever. I could probably do another if statement, do an or condition for both. Do I really want to do that though? This is fine for now. Alright. I have to do the same for plants.
I'm losing daylight, but I can't let it die down on the inside. I got my hands tied. I'm out here all alone and nothing feels right.
Alright, I might have to make sub processes for this.
Lost in all the memories. Can you
I don't know.
it's hard to believe in? Time is never fair, but you
Yeah, I might switch this up and do sub processes. Certain conditions. I don't know. But I'm definitely knocking it out, and I'll get there eventually. But for now, my brain is fried. I'll probably get to this. Probably Wednesday. I'm too busy tomorrow to continue this then. But yeah, I'll continue this another day, and I guess I'll stream 3 more times this week. Tomorrow will be Sekiro. I'm gonna continue that. And after that, on Wednesday, I'll see if I can fit it in time to finish this problem then. And then on Thursday, or Friday, I'll do Leak Code with C++. Let's see if we can find somebody to do a raid. Let's see. Nobody is doing programming. Let's see. Let's see if we can get somebody new. Yeah, sure. There's a guy named Quantum Forte. Let's get this guy. Sure. Alright. See you guys later this week if you want to come in and watch. Or watch me play Sekiro, get my ass kicked. Whatever. Alright, thank you guys for watching. And I'll find Quantum Forte. Oh, you got like a 0 PNG tuber thing. That's pretty cool. Anyway, let's get started. Let's get started with the raid. Alright. Let's raid now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time.
Change that to R.
Raid Squad, hush up. The tins are talking.
Oh my god, I haven't heard that voice line in so long. Yo, Ursa Sky, thank you.